There's such an intimate connection between the actor and the director. I've seen some of the behind the scenes footage with you.
Mhm.
You are just a fan enjoying the scene when it's done well.
Yeah.
But I think there's an aspect, if I were to put myself in the headspace of the actor, they want you as the audience, like, to earn that happiness, you know?
Oh, yeah,
Because when a
you're a
director
performer.
approves,
Yeah, well, you're a performer, and and there's no other, it's not like a live show where you get the approval of the audience, and you're like, oh wow, they like that joke. Let me do more. Really, the director is it, and a lot of times the director's way behind a monitor somewhere. That's why I still like to operate the camera. Because when I'm operating the camera, it's like this. We could have 100 people here, we wouldn't know because they go away. It's just us. They just disappear when it's the camera guy is the director, and we're going, let's do that again. Let's do that again. There's a shot in. I'm lighting sensitive myself. I have my crew setting lights. And I have this great shot of Clive Owen where he's holding down Benicio's head in the toilet. Benicio's not there. It's just a close-up of him at this point. And I'm practicing my shot. I'm zooming in slow in his face. And people are still walking behind him on the green screen setting lights. And I'm like, I'm rolling. We're ready to go. We're getting this. I can already tell. We're already in the moment. What you're doing right now, just keep holding that look. Now, one jolt like he's starting to fight back, but you don't even flinch. Cut. Okay. Never mind, you guys can stop moving that shit. We already got the shot.
holy shit.
Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, it's like that because
Wow.
you're so
That's a
locked in.
great scene, by the
It's
way.
great, right? And
Holy
and you can
shit.
feel it. It's like, if I wait for these guys, this moment will be gone. And then another one was Mickey Rourke. He had so much freaking dialogue. He had just done this whole big dialogue scene. He had another one that said, let's go ahead and start with a wide shot where the two actors, if I'm the camera, you know, Mickey and Elijah are here. Let's get a 2-shot and we'll come around on Mickey close up. We'll turn Mickey around for the close up. Let's start with the wide so they can get used to the lines, and most of it's going to be sold in the close up. We sit down, Mickey starts delivering the take. I'm like, hold on a second. I brought my camera over, zoom in, just adjust that light real quick because I'm the DP. Because if I had another director of photography, they'd be like, oh, no, we have to relight and all this stuff. It's like, no, let's just do this, let's go. He's doing it right now. And I go, and that performance is just right then. And so you can feel that when you're operating and you're the camera guy and you're the DP. It's like high-tech guerrilla filmmaking. Yeah, we're on a green screen, but it's like all the crew needs are marching orders. Just put a light back there, hitting them harder. Like this is a 5K, make that a 10K. It's got to be stronger. They don't need to know that I'm going to make that a lamppost later. They just need marching orders for the moment. So I can just kind of tell people, do this, do that. And then I know what I can accomplish with the actor, and then everything else falls into place later because I'm going to put all that in later. Things, once you know how to do a lot of jobs like that, you can just move at the speed of thought, which is where the actors love being creatively. Because nobody knew what green screen was back then. They're like, what is this again? So I explained it as, well, it's kind of like doing theater, but instead of a black curtain behind you with a prop, it'll be a green curtain. And you might just have a cup or just a steering wheel, but it's just you and the other actors, just like this. And everything else will be painted in later. We're just talking. We're locked in. If we stay locked in, we'll look great when there's rain coming down and we're on a ship later. but it comes down to this, right? And it was so fun to do those kind of
So
movies.
to this day, you try to be close to the action, connected with the actor that's
Because it's
performing.
like a dance.